Hello, my dear students. Today we are going to discuss the topic perimeter and area. This chapter may be maximum classes class 6, 7, 8, 9, but this topic discuss class 7th perimeter and area. So first point is a perimeter. Given here the perimeter. What is the perimeter? It refers to length of outline of the any enclosed figure. It means any polygons are given. So summation of all sides, sum of all sides is also called its perimeter. So like as a given the this is rectangle. So how to calculate its perimeter? If a length is given L and B, so breadth is also, so length is, so you can calculate easily its perimeter because sum of all sides it's a perimeter, so you can solve easily. But if given the in a this is a rectangle, so if questions are given this is a circle, so how to calculate its perimeter? How to calculate its perimeter? So perimeter of a circle is equals to 2 pi r. It is formula. How to calculate its perimeter? So it is a formula to any circle's perimeter. Circle perimeter is equals to 2 pi r. So you can calculate easily. Another case, second point is area. What is the area? It refers to a surface of the enclosed figure. So it's a enclosed figure. It refers to surface of the enclosed figure. It's a area. So surface of the enclosed figure, like this is totally refers to surface. So how will be how much surface cover to one points or one like any polygons or how much areas cover? So it is the area represented the area refer to the surface of the enclosed figure. It is area. So area and perimeter of a square. First discuss about the area and perimeter of a square. What is the area of a square and what is the perimeter of a square? So first write the area of a square, the perimeter of a square. In the given questions, first is this is a square. Calculate its perimeter. Perimeter means the sum of all sides. So sides is given 5, 5, 5. So calculate its perimeter of any square. Perimeter of any square is equals to 4 into side. 4 into side its perimeter, and area is equals to area of a square is equals to side into side. Any squares area calculated, yeah, any perimeters are calculated, so its perimeter is equals to 4 into side, and area is equals to side into side. So you can calculate easily of any square perimeter and area. So next point is like one example is given. So their perimeter is equals to 4 into 5, so answer is equals to 20. And its area means the side is square, so 5 into 5 is equals to 25. So 25 its area, 25 its area, and their perimeter is 20. So next is area and perimeter of a rectangle. Any rectangles are given like one rectangle. This is a rectangle. This is a rectangle. How to calculate its perimeter? So first length is given L and breadth is given B. So how to calculate its perimeter? If breadth is same, so another side is also B, and L, so another side is L. So how to calculate its first calculate its perimeter? Perimeter P is equals to sum of all side. So perimeter P is equals to sum of all side in the sense twice of L and twice of B. So its perimeter is equals to twice common length plus breadth L plus B. Its formula to finding any rectangle's perimeter. Its formula for finding the any rectangle's perimeter. Perimeter of rectangle is equals to twice of L plus B. Okay, next is how to calculate its area. Area of rectangle is equals to length into width. any rectangle's area, calculating area is equals to length into breadth. You can calculate easily any rectangle's area, length into breadth. Some examples are given here. First is, what is the length of a rectangle filled? Its width is given and area is also given. How to calculate this question's length? Calculate its length. This task is calculating its length. So area is given, area A is equals to L into B. Area is equals to 500 and length is given is 20. Sorry, breadth is given, length is calculating, breadth is 20. So calculate its length. Length L is equals to 500 divided by 20. So its length is equals to 25. Its length is equals to 25 feet, because questions is given feet square and its width is also given the feet. So their answer is equals to 25. Okay, next point. Next is how to calculate triangles as a part of a rectangle. Triangles as a part of a rectangle. So it will be, we are drawn the diagonal of a rectangle when we get the equal size of a triangle. So the area of this triangle will be the half of the area of a rectangle. It means you can calculate the area of rectangles. Area of rectangles or area of any one triangle is equals to area of half of a rectangle. It's a formula. You can using this simply. Maximum questions are you can done, like area for each triangle is equals to area of each triangle is equals to area of each triangle is equals to half of area of the rectangles. Okay, this concept too very useful for finding any questions. Perimeter and its area. Perimeter is any polygons given sum of all sides, and its area means only two sides are multiplied. Any two sides are multiplied, then you can calculate its area, because length into breadth its area, and in a square side into side its area, so you can calculate easily. Yes, some questions is also given. So here, so area of a triangle is equals to 1/4 of the area of the square. In a square cases, how to calculate one triangle area is equals to 1/4 of the area of the square. Okay, now let's compute the area and a square, some concept related to circle, square and rectangle. So next video I will discuss the remaining part, like circles, how to calculate circles perimeter and its area, and any other questions related to its perimeter and area. Okay, thank you students.